Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Honda Stream. This vehicle has a misfire, uh, losses power, and high consumption of fuel. So today I'm going to show you how to diagnose this type of vehicle. Right now this vehicle is running, but check engine is flashing on the dashboard. Look. So before we do anything, right now I have another gadget here. Is a launch type. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main problem. So this is the Honda. It's a Honda Stream of 2010. So about this launch, on my side is the best launch, but the problem is it takes time to process data. Check engine is still blinking. The engine is still running. A misfire is caused by very many things, but the best thing is to diagnose so that we save time. But most of those things are spark plugs, ignition coil, master sensor, we have temperature sensor, oxygen sensor, vacuum leakage, map sensor. Those things can cause a misfire. Even the ECU itself, fuel, those things can cause a misfire. The fault code is P0302 misfire 2, P0301 misfire 1 cylinder. Those are minor. The main culprit always on orange, which is the main code, which is P0300 random misfire, and P0304, which is misfire cylinder 4. That information, it means that we need to change the ignition coil. Without wasting time, we need to swap all the ignition coils. This is the new code. This is the old coil. So we are going to swap all the ignition coils because of P0300 random misfire. That's the main culprit. After doing that, I think we are done. But in some cases, that code, it means spark plugs, but we are not going to change spark plug because the owner said that he has changed the spark plug yesterday, so the spark plug is okay. Just so we are swapping all the ignition coil. So after that, we are going back to clear that code. Clear, okay. After clearing that code, the ignition is on. Let me put ignition off, then put ignition on. Then okay. So no check engine. So everything is working perfect. The problem was the ignition coils. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.